And I just say, Mama, Papa, Mommy, and Daddy, stay from me. I have fun.
Ito yung order ko. Ito. At ito naman, cheesy ramen kay Daddy.
Mommy and Daddy, and I'm so hungry. We went Bamboy.
It's 1:17 a.m. Yan, magmamangboy kami.
What?
Hi! Where are we?
In the FM.
Really?
Yeah.
Where are we?
In the Bamboy.
Yeah, Mamboy. Max's favorite. What's your favorite here?
Egg and egg and the noodle.
Noodle.
Egg and noodle.
Yeah. You love noodle, right?
Yeah.
Good job. You're hungry. What time is it? It's 1:30.
Yeah, tricky. Eating time.
Eating time is midnight na nga po. It's midnight.
Midnight.
Love you.
Love you. We Daddy Poo Poo.
What?
I love we Daddy Poo Poo.
Loves Daddy po po. Where's Daddy?
Over there. Daddy Poo Poo. Daddy Poo Poo. Daddy. 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 Daddy.
Yummy? Wow. Yan, food namin. Akin top silog. Hi, Daddy. Ano yung Daddy sa'yo?
Bagnet.
Bagnet. And then, lugaw for Ate Maxine.
Yeah. Do it.
Huh?
Do.
Blow it.
It's my first Christmas party. I'm so excited.
So let's enjoy and kami dalawa ni Austin. Okay. One, two, three, four, five. Jesse, sorry. Okay.
Maybe there. Tin. Good job. Come on. Good job.
Pag sinabi kang no. Pag sinabi kang yes. Pag sinabi kang no. Tandaan nyo, dito ay no. Dito ang yes. No! Yan! Dali! Dali! Oh, pasa! 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 Eh, dali! Dali! Dali sa Maili! Wala ka na si Maxine! Dali! Takbo! 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 Ikaw! Takbo! Ikaw! Yan! 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 Yan!
Tin. Tin. Tin ka, baby.
Dalian natin mamaya ibig yung kutsara. Ayan ang ulit niya. Malay na si Iya, oh.
Pawis na pawis.
Malay na yung bibig niya. Kayo, kayo po ka muna. Ayun, hawakan mo. Balikan mo! Casey!
Dali, faster.
To Hailey from Maxine. Ay, Maxine! Maxine! Give it to me.
Dali, isa pa po yung isa pa. Yung kasama, dalawa po yun yung kasama ito.
Para kay?
Kay ano din, kay Hailey.
Kay Hailey, dalawa. O, yun na, idaway mo na. Dali. Picture na, dali. Hawak.
Thank you. What's that? Come on. Tin. Maxine. Wow. Sure.
Kasi wala akong
Samgit time.
Ito kami ngayon sa Samgip Safar, magdi-dinner with family. No, it's not your birthday. When is your birthday? September? Oh.
Is it
Let's go.
Mama's birthday?
No. Magdi-dinner lang tayo dito, anak. Wala. Yan. Itikaw ng soup, ha? And rice and egg. Sige, go to mama. Go. Oh my God, it's so cold. Maxine! Maxine! Hi!
Hi, Wawa Pupu.
Samgip is back. Ah, you are so cute. You're so cute. Look here. Nilalamig siya. School. Sin. Kaya ito niya. Super busog. Are you full? Huh? Yummy?
I'm
Feeling cold right now.
cold.
Pag nakita mo to, anak, ang paglaki mo, yan yung nalaro mo, oh. Ayan yung nalaro mo, ayan, oh. Roblox.
God.
Mag-Roblox.
Oh my God, Popo Wawa. Oh my God, Wawa Pupu.
Maxine! Say hi to mommy! Maxine! Ba't na to talaga?
I love Daddy.
Bye-bye!
What happened?
Come on, baby.
Ganda naman ni Ate Maxine.
Come on, wear your slippers. Dali. Wear your slippers.
Bibi. Ang cute ng mag-amaw. Ayun, si Lydia Romela. Si Daddy. Tapos magkakaroon ka ng isa dito. Cute. Naku.
Daddy love you.
Daddy, she's crying. She cried earlier. Why did you cry?
Because Daddy's not here.
Oh, what do you want to say to Daddy?
Daddy's sorry.
Daddy will come back, okay? Daddy had a
What?
Daddy had a haircut. And he's buying milk for Ate Maxine.
Bill.
Yeah. Let's wait for Daddy, okay? Anak, alam kong makikita mo to after years. Yan yung fetish mo, anak, yung paa ni Daddy. Paa ni Daddy na may kalyo, oh my God. Maxine, what can you say about the feet? About Daddy's feet? Maxine, what can you say about Daddy's feet?
I don't know.
Is it good?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I don't know this daddy's dirt.
You're removing Daddy's dirt. Nag-e-enjoy siya. It's 2 o'clock in the morning and we're still awake. Nagutom. And si Daddy, magluluto ng corned beef. And egg and hot dog. Naman kakainin ko habang nag-aantay sa luto ni Daddy. Cake! Here's our food. It's 8 o'clock guys and grabe ngayon pala kami maghahanap ng handa namin. Ayan, so sarado na yung Walmart. Na-try namin maghanap and ang daming tao sa mga bilihan. Ay nako. Pag 24 talaga, hindi kami masyadong naghahanda ng marami kasi ang daming handa nung birthday ng tatay ko. Kaya handa namin, guys.
Sino? I open my gift. Oh. Oh.
Get one, yes.
This one?
Get one, go.
See?
Oo. I'll go to Daddy.
Open.
Wow.
Wow. What's that? Another gift? Wow, it's a
I
bag.
want my toy. That's so cute. Is there a toy there?
It's a black bag. oh.
Kainis? Check
It's a
mo
black
muna ang
bag.
pwede
Buy
ba?
a black bag. Wow. You can put coins inside.
What is inside? What inside, Daddy?
This one. The
Ang cute naman yan.
wait, I'll fix it. You can put your money here. Para when we go
Oh, this
out.
one naman. Oh,
Wait, I'll go ahead.
open.
That toy?
Open date? You have to open date. Di help her nga. Mamaya mo na lagay yan.
What's inside?
Wow.
What's inside?
Wow.
What's that?
Diba you like the black slipper? Mm. Dali, where? No. Where your black
Wow.
slipper?
Show here.
Open. Open there.
Oh, next.
That's a toy?
Surprise. Oh, bear mo muna yung slipper mo, bear.
Toy!
Baby, oh. Wow, a black slipper.
Good job. Oh,
Where's
that's
slipper?
This is from Mommy.
That's my
Oh, can you hear that? I don't know. You have to check. You have to open it.
a toy?
Dali pa, open, dali. Yeah, good job. Ate, bigyan mo siya.
Mm. Mm.
Ate. Inagaan mo ako.
Wow.
Wow! What's that?
Bago na naman siya ikakalat.
May bago na naman kakalat. What's that, anak?
Open!
Later, open your
Oh,
other
wait, here
gift
pa
first,
nga.
no?
Mama, give mo yung gift mo. Mama has a gift for you. Yes.
What is that? SM?
Anak, mahal yung SM. Sit tali ka.
Nating ano, kulit here.
There, anak, there.
Kulit mo na lang.
pala to.
Oo, kaya mahal.
It's the, ano,
Mahal ba siya? Ano bilhin
it's the brother of ano.
200?
Sin, it's the brother of ano. It's the brother of Peppa. Open mo. It's the brother of Peppa.
SM?
Who is brother of Peppa?
Help mo siya, dad.
Who's brother of Peppa?
Kala ko bibigyan kang kita mo 2,000 eh.
Wow! Pakita ka naman. Yan. Gift ni tita. Wow! Isang buhay!
Gusto niya to. Ayaw mo?
Oh, yung gift naman ni Wawa.
Oh, from Wowo.
From
Yeah.
That's from Wawa. Open it.
Yeah,
Open it.
Open them.
Ayan na yung ano.
Open them. Open.
Come on.
Yung pati si Wawa na surprise. Si Wawa.
Wow! Wow!
A dancing duck.
Wow, a dancing duck!
That's worth 1,000.
1.5 to diba? 1.5.
A 1,500.
How can done?
Oh, give mo kay Wawa. Give mo kay Wawa. That's your gift
May
to
battery ba
Wawa.
tayo, mami?
Basta Osmer.
Hindi pwede siya i-charge.
Done.
That's your gift to Wawa.
Wow!
I have a gift.
The Walking Dead.
Sin! I have a gift.
Search mo ito, mami. Parang milya.
Wow! Sabi ka naman doon.
Wala na akong utang sa
Wow! Another gift pa, ma'am. Ayaw niyo ng money. Batang to talaga.
Ayun yung pero talaga.
Ako kuha. Hawakan mo, da.
Diba? It's a dancing duck.
Give mo kay mama. Give mo kay mama.
So ba?
What's this?
Upo ka naman dyan. Yan, give mo kay mama.
Oh, wait, let's me charge it first.
Ano man?
Dalawang
Hello.
couple mug.
If you like,
Hello?
hello? Ay, ang cute naman!
I know. I know.
Ay, bumili na si... Buti hindi ako bumili.
I know.
Ano sasabi ni?
What is that?
Ayan, Maxine. Give mo to kay daddy, dali. Give mo kay daddy to, dali. Meron siyang gift. Saan ito, ma?
Ito ba?
Bakit yung ngiti mo? Bakit yung ngiti mo? Nakakaramdam siya kung ano yan. Hulaan mo muna kung ano yan.
No, idea.
Ano yun, tama?
Bato.
Sarado ko yan.
Hollow blocks.
Cemento ba?
Ano ko yan? Yee!
Ay, dami.
Ayan, mag-gym ka na sa bahay. Hindi ka makakaliba.
What's the name of brother Peppa? Wow, Daddy. Siya, Daddy Pig ba to? Ha?
Daddy Pig.
Daddy Pig. Ay, akala ko si Joy.
Nagregalo, hindi rin nagregalo.
That's Daddy P.
Daddy Pig pala. Oh, hindi mo kasama si Peppa Pig and oh. How's mo si Daddy Pig? Daddy Pig. You want me to open the plastic? Where is Peppa?
And gift for Mama.
Open it. Open.
Wait lang. Si Mami naman mag-open. Ito naman.
Open that.
Tada!
Open! Open! We went to my workshop in Bulacan. I got a present. Thank you, Wawa.
Wow!
Sa'yo na lang, inas na sa yung ano.
Wow! What's that?
Wow! What's that?
Asan yung ano ko? Ito pala. Are you happy? What?
What did you say?
Oh. Pick another gift. Go to
Mine?
Yeah. Oh, hug more daw and kiss. Hug and kiss first.
Kapag CR ka na. Ito yung ano na.
Wow!
Wala akong talent. Welcome.
If you should die,
Daddy's cooking baked mac. My little Maxine is ready. Maxine, are you ready for New Year?
Mommy, did I eat that? Did I eat that?
Later. After.
Daddy, sir, di ba you want this one? Yung video vlog.
I eat it.
Practicein natin yung mga
Anong jelly yan? Anong jelly yan? Coffee? Wow, it's yummy.
Are you gonna give that one to Billy?
Later, Daddy will make ano pa? Jelly.
Daddy,
The one that you eat.
Daddy's cooking dairy. Is that a cooking dairy? Is that a cooking dairy? Mommy, are you gonna give that one to me?
Later, that's a chili.
What is it?
You have to wait for New Year.
What is that? No, this one, the white one.
Shopping bowl.
Why?
I'm shopping the jelly. You're so pretty. Excited yung bata.
Can I see?
Excited sa coffee jelly.
Wait.
Do you love coffee jelly?
Yeah. Hey, give it back to me. Give it back to me. Give it back to me.
Ilalagay pa natin yan sa ref, anak.
We put it in the freezer pa.
Please.
Daddy's. Want coffee jelly? Yeah. Let's go.
The coffee deli done. The coffee deli done fishing.
What's it?
Done fishing. Is that one done fishing? Is that one done fishing?
Not yet. But I will give you na para di na ko makulit. Oh, wait lang. I'll do it. Ay,
A spoon?
don't. Enough na.
No.
More?
We keep that one to get more.
Ubusin mo muna bago enough na ha?
Yeah.
Then later again, okay?
Yeah.
Bring it there sa table. Sa table ha, not sa sofa. There, in the table. Just be...
I built a second floor on top. I built this ground section beside it and another beside that one. I then built some roofs and we have this lovely modern which Lego house
Happy?
is your favorite.
Papa is cooking frog.
Say, you sit there. You stand here, then I'll get the picture. Come here.
Hi! Fireworks.
Habunin mo to. Sinabon mo yun.
The aftermath! My God, the aftermath. Nangunguna sa balota. Michael Alcantara. Gutom na. Nakanta ng asawa ko.
There I was, an empty piece of shell, smiling my own world, without even knowing what love and life were all about. Then you came, you brought me out of the shell, you gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you.
Happy New Year!